In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Axiom Pro. To do this, just go and open up Axiom Pro, and then in the top right, go to your wallet, so where it says your Solana balance, and from there simply click on withdraw. Now here, enter the withdrawal amount. You can also click max, and then here select what you want to withdraw, which for me will be Solana. So here you can then select the chain. And if you want to change the coin, you can also do that right here to USDC. Then here, enter the address. So I'll just get my Phantom wallet address. So click on receive wherever you want to send it to, and then just go to Solana and copy your wallet address, at least if you're sending Solana. And then from there, click on withdraw all Solana. And now I need to do a security check with Google since I signed up with Google. And then it's verifying, and now verified, so it's now successfully been sent, and now my balance here is 0, and now it will show up on Phantom Wallet. So you can now see that it has now been received. So now you know how to withdraw money from Axiom Pro. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.